Alright, so here's our latest find. This will be the top for Mason's cabinet. They did not have the key, but we should be able to get one done. And I'll have to figure out how to clean up this chrome again. Why don't you open up? The gentleman that we got it from left a little bit of tools in here for Mason. So these are hose clamps. That's good. Ooh. Got yourself a nice set of needle nose pliers, Stanley. Okay, what is that? It's pocket stone. So that's a sharpening stone for a knife. And these are probably, I think they call them feeler gauges.
And it even comes with a wasp.
Oh, it even comes with a baby wasp, Dad. Okay, now you can open up the other drawers. See what else you got in there. Oh, wow, look at that. That gentleman was very nice.
Metric?
No, that's a torque bit.
Oh.
But that's very good.
There's some weird one.
Yeah, this is a really different one. Look at that. It's like a security bit or something. Okay. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Let's see what's in the other drawers.
Oh.
Oh, that one's broken. Oh, but because it's a Craftsman, we could take this in and you should be able to get a replacement. It won't be American one anymore, but let's see what else you got. Look at the size of that socket.
The size of this.
Holy cow.
Have some fun with these.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what's in the other drawer. It's like Christmas all over again for... Oh man. Don't know what that is. So, you want to push here. You want to push in there. And then lift up the top. Push, push, push. Okay, I'll do it for you here in a minute. There you go. Lay down. Oh. We'll have to read the instructions. It says it's a what did it say? Compression tester kit. Well, there you go. You got yourself some nice tools. So let's work on getting this old toolbox. I don't know.
It's like one of those.
Yeah, this is nice. Has some bars across here. Maybe you'd hang, there's slots here, so maybe these are adjustable and you'd adjust them and you'd hang a tool up there or something. Alrighty, we found a date code, October of 1967. So on this side of the toolbox we had some old dried up grease. My friend said put some of this hand grease stuff on here, so I let it sit about 4 days, scraped it off. It actually took a lot off, and I put some more down about 2 days ago because we were scraping this stuff off with a piece of wood. I didn't want to totally scratch up the metal, but just letting this stuff sit on here for a while actually did a really good job. Did a good job. So that trick with the grease hand soap really worked out well. It just did all the hard work for us, just like dissolved that grease. So I'd highly recommend doing that trick if you get like baked on, dried on grease. Let it just sit there for a while. So just a tiny bit, just to break it. There you go. Good job. You're getting to be a pro. Wonderful. Good job. That was actually the rear.
Was that the front?
Yep, that's rear.
Because this.
Oh yeah, we wrote them down wrong. So we'll just re-scratch it, rewrite it.
Bye. Why are we not using that?
Elbow grease is your elbow. It's a figure of speech. You want me to buy you elbow grease? That's funny. There you go. Okay. You're getting too close. Back up. Good job. Okay. Now we just let this dry. What's the dry time on this? It's going to be somewhere up there. It says dry. Okay. That's good. Just do light coats. Don't worry about the sides. You're getting a little too close. Back up. Just light coats. Okay. That might have just been a dribble right there. Don't touch it. Alright. You want to get on the inside?
Guess so.
Just hold it up a little higher. There you go. Just light coats. So let's try to get some of this rust off. The barkeeper's friend says it is okay for chrome. I know we'll be missing metal there, I guess, but clean this up a little bit because, again, I don't know how to do chrome. So you're just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there, and then you're going to, or you want to do it towards the, okay, that's good. Okay, and then you're going to take this and start working it, rubbing it in. Take the cloth. You got to, yeah, the end that you just did. So they did a pretty good job cleaning these two up. Yeah, that came out pretty good. I like these Sharpie paint markers. They're oil-based pens, but they do a pretty good job on relettering projects. Kind of glad I saved these scraps for when I did the very first box and then on the second box, because I was able to use some of those pieces without running and using the whole roll to fill in these odd little shapes that I have. Okay, that's good. And we'll cinch them all down once it's in place. So use this hand to hold the screw, and there you go. See, that's why you want to loosen that up. You're not lined up. Loosen it up just a pinch. Okay, see, that way we've got a little bit of play, and you'll be able to line this up easier. There you go. Alright, that's good. Straight up and down, just like we did on the other one. Okay. Cinch that one up. Good job. Alright. I'll hold it for you. There we go. It's hard. Maybe try to screw it on like a screwdriver. I mean like a screw. Alright, we got them seated. Let's assemble. So you get one side, I'll help you get the other.
On?
Yep, go ahead. Push. There we go. Line up your side. Go ahead, Brett. Good job. Now there's two different sizes for this. One of them is going to be bigger, one of them is going to be smaller. It's got a little lip. All right. Yeah, that one I had to cut the little notches out for the back part.
Mm-hmm.
And the last one. So this toolbox has some character to it. I mean, there's some dings in there which we weren't able to take care of, but all in all, it's 100% better. And the only thing I still got to try to source for you is a lock, because I had a key made for the lock that was in here and we could not get it to work. So thanks for watching. Oh, we forgot to put that in.